All right, let's see how these Palawell lights look. All right, so I got the Palawell G40 globe string bulbs, multicolor. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. Let's open this up and take a look. I was looking for something actually to hang around my back deck. You know, something like this would be awesome for patios or parties even, you know, stuff like that. So, all right, so this is actually packaged nice in foam. Each of these bulbs is individually pressed into its own little foam section on here, so that's kind of cool. That's a nice looking bulb with a nice looking orange filament on there. So I guess these are different colors. I got orange, yellow, white, yellow, and orange. I don't know. It's gonna be different colors, but we're gonna have to plug these in and check them out. This thing's 25 feet long, so you've got a 2-prong plug here and a 2-prong plug here. I'm going to use it with this Palawell dimmer switch that they sent me to check out. And what I'm going to do is plug this in on the patio, obviously plug this into my outlet, plug these lights into here, and then we'll check it out, because this thing comes with a remote control. And I can stand out in the yard and change the remote control and then see how cool I look doing that. Looking forward to that. Doesn't really say what the colors are on here, so we're just going to have to plug them in tonight and find out. I'll be back with some nighttime footage. All right, let's see how these Palawell lights work. I've got them draped underneath of my patio so my neighbors don't think I'm crazy because it's the middle of the summer, but using the Palawell dimmer switch and remote control, 60 feet away, let there be light. Bam. Cool thing with this dimmer switch too is it's got different settings. I can go 25%, 50, 75, 100. Let's go look at them and see what they look like. All the different colors. Look at that. That would be nice. Strung out at a party or somewhere, but yeah, pretty cool. We got red, white, blue, green, magenta. Let's just call that magenta. But yeah, pretty neat. Lights look great. They actually make my whole patio glow, but because they're lights. But yeah, check them out, the Palawell string lights.